2017, our community came together to build and launch the Academies of Lexington, a movement to transform public high school education and provide all students with an educational experience as innovative, immersive.
Hi, my name is Kendall Kearns. I am the principal of the Engineering, Manufacturing, and Robotics Academy at the Academies of Bryan Station High School. This is my 5th year here at Station. Before that, I was a principal at Powell County High School and an engineering teacher in Jessamine County.
Mr. Will.
Mr. Gabb.
We are
the Engineering Academy.
EMR students get a chance to do multiple events and activities throughout the school year. As far as a big event in class, we have our CO2 dragster competition. That's kind of a culminating project in several of the classes. Outside of class, as far as extracurricular events and clubs, we have VEX Robotics teams, and they participate and travel and go to different competitions throughout the state. And we also host an annual VEX Robotics tournament here at Station, which is a huge event for us. We also have what's called Career and Technical Student Organization, CTSO, and ours in the Academy is called TSA, and that stands for Technology Student Association. And in that, there are a variety of technology and engineering events that students participate in, ranging from problem solving, again, they can compete in the dragster build, everything technology that you can imagine. And we compete in regional, state, and also national competitions with that. We also have a very fun event that we schedule every year with EKU Department of Engineering, which is the cardboard boat race. And that's a fun time where you actually build a cardboard boat and you take it to a pool, an indoor pool at UK on the campus, and see how far you can go before it sinks. And you have to get in the water and row it. It's a great time. It's fun. Everybody loves it. I love it. And you guys will love it.
So what I love most about the Engineering Academy at Bryan Station High School is that it basically prepares kids for life skills, real world skills, real hands-on. It gets them ready for moving on to the next level, whether that be college or going straight into the workforce. They get to apply real world applications by using the CNC mills or the laser engravers. We have a shop that is top notch. It has probably one of the best shops in the state, I would say. We have tons of equipment.
What I love about our academy is it gives you a hands-on approach, but it prepares you for the next level. Whether you're going to college to be a mechanical engineer or civil engineer, or whether you want to go work for a local industry with our industry certifications, we're working on AutoCAD Inventor certifications for real world. In addition to that, we hope to have a 3D printing certification coming up. So I think with Inventor and 3D printing, that could definitely get your foot in the door in a lot of local industries.
So you've got a chance to take 3 different pathways in the EMR Academy. You have engineering design, and that's kind of what it sounds like. It's focused on what makes a good design, how do I design, how do I take an idea and turn it into something real. We use heavy on 3D modeling in that class, 3D printing, laser engraving, CNC machining. You get a chance to use things that kind of overlap in the other pathways. And one of the other pathways is mechanical engineering. That's where you kind of learn about how stuff works. If you've ever taken apart something at your house and tried to fix something and put it back together, this is a class you will love. And then lastly, we have what's called automation engineering. It used to be called robotics. That's where we actually build working robots and program them to do what we want them to. And you can go nowhere in industry without seeing robots used in the manufacturing world. Probably also in the medical world, they're everywhere. But all of these tie in together, and there's a basic skill set that you can learn along with the problem solving. You'll learn design, you'll learn how to engineer things, how to improve things, how to make innovations, inventions, how to use all of this cutting edge technology safely. And that kind of ties back into all three pathways start with the first two courses, which are engineering 1 and 2. So we can get you that basic skill set, and then you can kind of decide, hey, I love robotics part of the mechanical engineering pathway, so I want to focus on that, and we'll turn you loose to work on your robots all the time. If you like using the best stuff in the school, the coolest equipment and all that stuff, this is definitely the academy for you. 2 new things that we've got going on. We're going to try to add an industry cert in 3D printing, and we're going to try to add a dual credit course through EKU Aviation in drone operation. So we've got that on the horizon. We're always adding stuff. So if you like any of that stuff, come check us out in the EMR Academy.